36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Nevis presiding. While courts in session, no reading, talking, walking around, driving, or eating. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Sierra Ross. Thank you. Ticket number SP 1362559, count 2, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Tia Ross.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, we have Miss Ross. Is the officer still here? Let me see if I can bring him out.
Hold on, let me check.
No, that's Officer Hott. He's not in the, I don't see him, so. Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client. She's going to admit the seatbelt violation. The other counts being dismissed. I would stipulate to the face of the complaint as a factual basis.
All right, and count 1 was actually in default. Are you asking the court to set aside the default? I know the prosecutor did not have an objection.
Yes, Your Honor, I asked court to set the default aside.
All right, so the court will set aside the default, and she's willing to take advantage of the offer. So with that, you stipulate to the
So stipulated, Your Honor.
and then stipulate the probable cause as to count 2 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
All right, so count 2 is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $78. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have this paid by January 17th, Ms. Ross?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Chelsea Roper, ticket number U6339482, count 1. No person should appear semi-nude at a sexually oriented business. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Chelsea Roper.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Ms. Roper, at this time, we're asking the warrant be set aside.
Okay, the court will set aside the warrant.
Your Honor, my client's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Roper. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
sorry, could you repeat that?
Do you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes,
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial date for February 8th at 9 o'clock.
okay,
All right, any questions?
no, ma'am,
Same Zoom number, ma'am.
okay,
All right, good luck to you, ma'am. This is
Thank
the
you.
People versus Jeffrey Dallas, ticket number P1265835. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. And ticket number P1369147. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your
Good
Honor,
morning.
Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Jeffrey Dallas. I am going to indicate, Your Honor, Mr. Dallas does have a valid license, so I don't know how the offer would be with his license. Or he has a license, he showed me, and I assume it's valid.
Ms. Horn, I see that you're here. So he's a show cause. It is for no insurance misdemeanor. He did have 2 tickets in warrant status, no insurance misdemeanor, and failed to display.
And thank you, Your Honor. And because we're here, could the clerk run his Secretary of State record and just let me know if that says valid? And let's see. And that is for Mr. Jeffrey Dallas. And I'm just gonna look at the sheet here to see what he's here. Dallas, D-A-L-L-A-S, D-A-L-L-A-S. D-A-L.
He's at 8:45 on my.
I see it. I see it. So he's got that count one. It must be somewhere else too, because all I see is
He had, it was in warrant status. So his license is in fact valid.
yay, good. Okay, so we can so the no ops was in warrant status, Your Honor.
So he had he had a fail to display, a warrant status, and a no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay,
He has the no insurance misdemeanor that's up to date.
okay, I see that. And so the people would move for dismissal, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you stipulate to probable cause?
So
As to all matters, okay. You
So
stipulate to probable
stipulated,
cause?
Your Honor.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Dallas. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, you really should thank Ms. Horn. She did you a real solid today.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. I appreciate you.
You're welcome, Mr. Dallas. I appreciate you with your license. That takes a lot of work to get and keep.
Thank you. I can leave.
You can leave, you're all set, sir.
And Ms. Soroki?
Yes.
Okay, so I've reviewed Terrence Robinson's file and spoken with Corporal Whitehead. And is he your client?
Yes.
Okay, so blockading on count one of the moving violation and dismissal of the other ticket, the no insurance and the drove while license not valid or improper.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and I have that, and I'm gonna look up Mr. Dillard now, and so I can bring all these down.
So, yeah, and I need you to send me that write-up on that drunk driving, please.
Mr. Robinson is the only one left in the breakout room.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Well, I guess so. So let me tell Mr. Robinson his offer and then maybe we were done.
All right.
I believe did Mr. Page come out?
Yeah.
It is.
Okay.
You have the file for Mr. Robinson?
You know what? I do. And so should I just bring down Mr. Dillard since he's dropped off? Okay.
You can bring him, just give him another day.
Okay. All right. Will do. I'm on my way.
Okay. I just go call and I'll answer. And, give it first, 2 weeks.
Thirty-six District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Terrence Robinson, ticket number SP 1372891. Count one, fail to stop for stop sign. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Paul Stroke on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
State your name, Mr. Robinson.
Terrence Robinson.
Your Honor, the recommendation is my client would plead to the reduced count of impeding traffic and the other matters are being dismissed. I'm stipulating to the face of the complaint as a factual basis.
Do you have any other matters?
I'm sorry.
I'm not sure if you had any other matters.
Oh,
Let me make sure. No, he didn't. All right, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
so stipulated.
All right, and so the court will amend that count of blockading. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's $175 fine, Mr. Robinson. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have that $175 paid by January 17th?
Yes, I can.
Okay, okay, and I also, Ms. Soroki, It looks like there is also ticket number P at 1372919, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, drove while license not valid. And the recommendation is to dismiss that. You stipulate the proper cause as to those to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismiss without prejudice. What about this operating mode?
Oh,
That's good. All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Mr. Robinson?
Where I gotta pay it at?
So you can come down to the courthouse if it's easiest for you. If you know how to use the internet, you can pay it online. Or at CVS or Myers around the city, there's a kiosk called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. You can pay it on that kiosk. They have one at the Northwest Activity Center too.
All right.
Any other questions, sir?
You online?
mm-hmm.
Can I pay it right now?
You might want to wait till tomorrow.
Wait until tomorrow?
Yeah,
Yes, just so it can be entered into the system.
Or maybe I should wait a few more days and just come down there and pay it.
Whatever. It's your choice.
Yeah, I
sir.
think I'll do that. That way I'll be for sure.
Okay.
So it's $175, right?
Yes, sir.
And when I come down to the court, to the courthouse, I just walk through the window and tell them that I'm coming down there to pay a ticket.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one, sir.
You have a good one also.
Thank you.